Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, in today's video, as you see from the title or the thumbnail, which is why you clicked on this video, I am doing useful apps for you to use at school, whether or not you're a teacher or a student. Alright, so this is the page that my apps are on. Pretty much I have them in a folder called Education, and right now I have Quizlet, Socratic, Photomath, Duolingo, and Dictionary. Pretty much Photomath and Dictionary are the ones I pretty much use a lot. Duolingo I had, but from in the summer, like before the summer, when I decided to learn Spanish, but I stopped and I ended up deleting it, so all my progress are pretty much gone, so I have to start over. So that is why my app, when you see it, it's not gonna have like a lot of it done. So yeah, just a heads up. All right, so the first one we have that I'm gonna start with is Quizlet. Pretty much Quizlet is a app that you can use to study on. You can go in and pretty much search topics. So right now mine is on math, so pretty much you can go in, select whichever subject you want to select. I selected math because I'm a math teacher and I wouldn't use this. Basically, I think this one pretty much is very good for students, but you can use this to help your students to study. So you can tell your students about this app and, you know, allow them to go in. This is useful for like the keywords and key terms and such like that. It's like the flashcards that you use. Instead of having them physically, you can have them digitally, pretty much. So yeah, by the way guys, these apps, they can be used on Apple as well as on Android, and I did check for all of them. All right, so for example, as you guys can see, like I go into algebra, you can see at the top it has absolute value, it has additive inverse and stuff like that. So pretty much if I want to know what absolute value is, I can turn it over, the distance between a real number and zero on a number line. And I think you can, there are a lot of terms there that if you want to know them, it assists you, and I think this would be very good for especially in English or in biology, in those other subjects. In math, pretty much you don't need to know like the definitions and so on, so I think it's more useful for subjects like biology and chemistry, English and such like that. So yes, this is a good app for you to help you to study. The next app I have is going to be Socratic. Socratic is an app. It's pretty much like you use this app to, if you have a problem and you would like to know how to solve the problem, it can be used in math, English. So for example, I'm going to show it on the screen how I use it. I want to look at what are the planets in the galaxy. That's the question I used in the video. So what are the planets in the galaxy? You're pretty much going to see it come up and see. It gives you like the definition and all of that. It gives you top matches, and pretty much it gives you what are the planets in the Milky Way. Then it gives you explainers, it gives you a Q&A, so it gives you like related videos, so you can actually go in and watch videos that relates to the topic that you're looking at. It gives you more also from the web. So pretty much this is a good way of researching. So for example, your teacher gives you the question, what are triangles? You can go ahead, take the picture of that, and it will give you the definition, give you discussions, gives you videos. So pretty much I think this is really good. This is a really good app, and it can be used not only for math but also for other subjects. The next app pretty much is used for only math, and it's pretty much like Socratic. So you go into Photomath and you come up on a page that pretty much looks like a camera. So you have a math problem, right? the only thing is that this one does not use worded problems. So if you get a worded problem, I think it would be best to use Socratic. I'm not sure if it will work it out, but yeah, you could try it. So like worded problems and so on might not, but for like this question, so for example, I have my 2m plus 4 equals 12. You can go ahead and take the picture of it. It will give you the answer. You can press show how, so you basically ask how to work out this question and such like that. So it gives you like the step by step, and if you want to get like explanation of why they do this and all of that, you can purchase the pro version of the photomath. I don't have it, and I don't think I need it, so I don't have it. I'm a math teacher, so pretty much I know how to work it, but helping some students, sometimes, you know, I don't know everything. It gives me a better understanding of some things, so I think it is a really good app for students and for teachers, because trust me, as a student, this would be good for you. And I'm not saying don't try for yourself. That's not what I'm saying. If you do a math homework, if you're given a math homework and you want to know the answer for this question, you want to know if it's right before you go to your teacher, you can take the picture of that math problem and see if it's correct. Or if you're struggling to do a math problem that, you know, you just can't do it, you're at a rut and you're trying to figure out what do I do next, you can use this app to do it as well. So it's pretty good for math related problems. All right, so the next one I have on the list going to be Duolingo, and this is pretty much for those persons who do other language subjects like Spanish, French, Portuguese and stuff like that. It is very good for that. So right now I am trying to learn Spanish, as I said. So I started before, but I deleted the app and I decided to download it back so I can do this video for you guys, and I will keep it so that I can finish my studies on Spanish. I guess the truck didn't get the memo that I was filming a video. Anyways, so pretty much this app, it teaches you Spanish, and I'll show you guys in the video afterwards where I was showing you how it works pretty much. You can unlock audio lessons, you can just learn, you can be like, it gives you a leaderboard and stuff like that. You have your little profile that pretty much tells you what you're doing and what progress you are making and stuff like that. So yes, that is pretty good. So the last app that I have here, and I think pretty much everybody, this is like the most important app, the dictionary. Now, not everybody have a physical dictionary, and correct me if I'm wrong, I have a physical dictionary, but these kids nowadays, it's like they don't buy dictionary because it's not important to them. I don't know why, but when I was going to school, we had to have a dictionary. Like, it was on the book list, and you better go to class with your dictionary, right? I don't know about these kids, because a lot of times when I'm at school, a lot of kids come to the staff room and they ask, Miss, do you have a dictionary? Especially like you have some exams, like the Stanges exams, that need a dictionary, right? They come to exams without the dictionary. Yeah, I know in the exam you can't use the phone dictionary, so you're gonna need to buy a dictionary, but I'm saying like now you're at home If you don't have the resources right now to buy a dictionary, you can just download one, because you're gonna need it for English class, you're gonna need it for pretty much every class, even for math, because there are math words that you might not know and you gotta go into that dictionary. Good. So this dictionary is online. Actually, this dictionary, pretty much you can go in and you can search up words that you do not know, and it is offline, so it can be used without Wi-Fi. You can pretty much type in any word you would want to find and it will give you the word. I prefer to use it on the Android because it looks prettier on the Android. I don't know why, but normally things look better on iPhone. It's not looking that pretty right now, but just to say to you guys, these are the apps that I think are very useful for students right now, you know, other than the other apps that you need, because I think other apps are there, but not all of them are very useful. I did watch a lot of these videos that say useful apps for students, and I saw a lot of productivity apps, and I'm saying yes, they need to be productive, but are they really going to use those apps? Talk truths, you know. A lot of students are not gonna like go into the productivity app and write down, oh, I have homework at this time, how many time did I spend on homework. A lot of people not going to do that. A lot of kids not going to do that right now. So I did not include those kind of apps. I included apps that I definitely know are very useful for like when they're doing their work. So yes, those are the apps that I came up with. And other apps that you could think about of using, if you don't have a computer and you have like a tablet, you can download Google Slides, Google Sheets, you can download Google Docs. These are good for like when you're supposed to create documents and do assignments for school. They're pretty easy to use and they're free, so you can download those are pretty easy to use, very useful. So yes, these are the apps I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will use at least 1 or 2 of these apps. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Like this video, share this video, comment down below the apps that you use. If you use none of these apps, still comment it. I like to know like the apps that you use, and I'd like to check them out so that I can share with you or share with other persons like apps that are very useful, because these are the ones I know about. I know there are more, so if you have some apps that you like me to know about, just comment it down below. Okay. All right guys, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.